KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD-DA 1x2, KD-DA 1x4, and KD-DA 1x8 are 2, 4, and 8 channel HDMI distribution amplifiers used when any application that requires a single video source to be distributed to 2, 4, or 8 displays, where all displays will show the same image at the same time. KD-DA 1x2, KD-DA 1x4, and KD-DA 1x8 all feature EDID control settable on a blue rotary dial with 16 positions. 15 of the 16 positions of the EDID control rotary are default EDID libraries, which have been created and perfected in the KeyDigital laboratories, ensuring the source and displays are happy with their handshake and the video signal which they receive. The 16th option enables the KD-DA 1x2, 1x4, or 1x8 unit to copy the EDID handshake from display number 1 and relay that information to the video source as if they were connected directly. For more information on these products, please read the owner's manual at keydigital.com.